In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your own custom GPT with Perplexity focused on being a grammar checker. This easy guide will walk you through the steps of creating a personalized grammar checking assistant. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Google. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and type Perplexity into the search bar. You'll see a list of search results pop up. Click on the link to the Perplexity website, which should be one of the top results. This site is where we can set up and configure our custom GPT model. Once you're on the Perplexity website, navigate to the Spaces section. Spaces is where you can create and manage different projects within Perplexity. Look for the option to create new space and click on it. This will bring you to a page where you can start building your personalized assistant. You'll need to give your new space a name. Let's call it Grammar Guardian for our purposes today. Next, you'll be asked to provide a description for your assistant. This description helps define what your grammar checker will do. You can write something like, a simple, reliable grammar checking assistant designed to correct sentences, polish writing style, fix punctuation, and make any text clearer and more professional. Perfect for rewriting social captions, emails, scripts, or everyday messages with clean, natural grammar. After setting your description, click on the Add Instructions button. Here, you'll input the specific guidelines that your grammar checking assistant should follow. A good instruction set might include a sentence correction assistant that fixes grammar, spelling, and clarity while keeping your meaning, with optional tone adjustments and brief explanations for longer texts. Once you've filled in the instructions, make sure to click Save. It's crucial to save your work to ensure all your inputs are recorded accurately. Now, we need to select the model our assistant will use. Choose GPT 5.1 from the available options. GPT 5.1 will provide the advanced language processing capabilities needed for your grammar checker. Now, it's time to test out your newly crafted assistant. You can create a prompt by entering a sentence that needs correction. For example, I'm going to LA tomorrow. I hope the weather is good. Once you've entered your prompt, click Submit and be patient. It might take a little time for the model to process and respond. To fully test the capabilities, try another prompt. How about, I tried to wake up early today, but I ended up oversleeping again. I feel like my schedule is all over the place, and I want to organize it better, but I don't know where to start. Again, hit Submit and observe how the assistant handles it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom GPT-powered grammar checker using Perplexity. Whether you're refining sentences or just playing around, this tool is a powerful way to enhance your writing. Thanks for tuning in, and happy writing!